Let's talk about your future coworker. They don't need sleep, they don't take coffee breaks, and you know what? They might just be the most productive teammate you've ever had. Today, we are diving deep into the very practical world of agentic AI. Just picture this for a second. You wake up and before you've even had your first sip of coffee, the most annoying, tedious parts of your morning are just done. This isn't some far-off sci-fi dream. This is the very near future of AI. This is the power of an AI agent. All right, so to really get a handle on where all this is going, we first have to understand where we are right now. Let's start with the tools we're already using every single day, like ChatGPT and Gemini. Right now, our relationship with AI is, well, it's pretty simple. You have to start the conversation. You give it a command, it spits out an answer, and then it just waits. Think of it like a brilliant assistant who only works when you're standing right there, telling them exactly what to do. The moment you step away, they stop. And that, right there, is the key limitation that agentic AI is about to completely shatter. So what's the big change? Well, this next step isn't just a little upgrade. No, this is a fundamental shift in how AI works, moving it from being just a passive tool to becoming an active partner. Let's use a really clear example. With the AI we have today, you might ask it to, say, write an email to a client saying the project is delayed. It'll write the text for you, and then its job is done. You still have to do the work of copying it, pasting it, and hitting send. But with Agentic AI, your command is way simpler. Handle the project delay with my client. The AI agent then drafts the email, it checks your past conversations for context, and it actually sends it. You see the difference? It's huge. We're moving from an AI that gives you content to an AI that takes complete action. And listen, this isn't just hype. Nasscom, one of the most respected tech organizations out there, is calling this one of the single biggest technological shifts on the horizon. And why? Well, it's because this is an AI that can actually do stuff, not just talk about doing stuff. To make this whole concept crystal clear, let's use a simple analogy from a place we all know pretty well, the office. So imagine you just hired a new employee. On their very first day, you have to guide them through every single step. Okay, go to the printer, print this specific file, bring it to this room, and give it to this person. You have to micromanage every little detail. This is exactly how we interact with AI today. Okay, now let's fast forward 6 months. That same employee, they're experienced now. You just walk by their desk and say, hey, can you make sure the presentation is ready for tomorrow's meeting? And they handle everything, printing the documents, organizing them, booking the conference room, all from that one simple goal. That is agentic AI. It's your experienced teammate who just gets things done. So how does this new AI teammate actually start to show up in the real world? Let's break down how this is going to affect people just like you. If you're running a business, for example, an AI agent could basically become your automated front office. It could manage customer questions, respond to the common ones, follow up on leads, and even schedule meetings right into your calendar, all without you having to lift a finger. Or if you're a student, an AI agent can be your ultimate research assistant. It could go out and scour the web for a topic, organize all the key info, create a structured draft for you, and even format your citations, leaving you to focus on the important stuff, like the critical thinking and adding your own unique insights. And for all the office professionals out there, just imagine an agent working quietly in the background all day long. It could sort your entire inbox, prepare these perfect, concise summaries of long meetings you missed, and automatically update your weekly reports. It's about freeing you from all that daily digital clutter. And look, at the end of the day, this technology isn't about replacing you. It's about automating the boring, repetitive tasks so you can finally dedicate your energy to what truly requires a human touch: creativity, strategy, and good old-fashioned judgment. Now, I know what a lot of you are probably thinking right now, and it's a totally fair and really important question to ask as this technology keeps getting better. So let's just go ahead and address the elephant in the room head on. If an AI can do all of these tasks on its own, should you be worried about your job? The honest answer is that yes, some jobs will absolutely change. Tasks that are super repetitive, routine, and based on really clear rules, things like basic customer service, data entry, scheduling, those are going to be increasingly handled by AI agents. And you know what? That shift is already happening. But, and this is a big but, this is where the real opportunity is. As all those routine tasks get automated, new, more valuable roles start to emerge. We're talking about becoming an AI agent manager who oversees a team of digital workers, or maybe an automation strategist who designs how these agents fit into a company's workflow. The critical skill completely shifts from simply doing the work to strategically directing the AI that does it for you. So, to wrap this all up, here are the three main things you really need to remember. Number one, today's AI waits for you. Agentic AI acts for you. Number two, this is a huge shift from just answering questions to actually completing entire tasks. And number three, this will definitely change how we work, but it also creates massive opportunities for anyone who's ready for it. Look, agentic AI isn't some concept for the distant future. It is the next big wave in technology, and it's coming fast. The single best thing you can do to future-proof your career is to understand it. The people who take the time to learn these tools today are the ones who are going to be leading tomorrow. And that's exactly why we make these explainers, to give you those clear, simple insights you need to navigate this new era. If this was helpful, hitting that like button really does help us out. And of course, subscribe if you want to keep staying ahead of the curve right here with us. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.